name's Alan Parsons. I work for Mole Valley Farmers, which is an agricultural retailing and manufacturing business in the UK. My position in the company is I'm the CRM data manager, and I'm also the AX project manager for the implementation of AX across the business. Mole Valley is a company that's grown very rapidly over the last 10 years or so. As it's acquired other businesses and its own internal organic growth, the IT systems haven't stayed pace with that within the business unit itself. So we've ended up with a number of diverse solutions not joined together. The company realised that in order to take it to the next stages and keep the growth of the company going in the direction that it is, there was a need to bring the systems together, the main platform systems together on a single application. After a lot of searching, we came up with Microsoft Dynamics AX as the solution system and Microsoft as the company to provide that solution. However, because we live in a diverse world of agricultural side, dealing with farmers, which is a bit of an industry in its own right, what we then needed to do was look at a partner which we could utilise to actually provide the functionality which we wanted to not only meet Mole Valley's own USP within the marketplace, but also allow us to integrate back to the mainframe system and run retail as well. Having scoured the market, we came up with Adifo as the perfect partner for doing that. Not only are they fully integrated back into the AX solution, they also understand the farming requirements that need to be as part of the feed manufacturing, fertiliser manufacturing, the needs of the farmer directly, which we deal with on an everyday basis. So an ideal example of where the Adifo solutions helped us enormously is in the sales order processing mechanism. Adifo have looked at the sales order process and modified it in such a way within the standard dynamic solution that it focuses exactly on what we need. So we're inputting just the field data which we require. We are being able to see the position management on the back end of that field data directly, which has saved us a lot of time in the actual processing side. As part of our migration strategy, we actually took 300 open sale orders and rekeyed them. We rekeyed them within 36 hours. That's how much it speeded up the process directly. On a day-to-day basis now, that's increased the throughput of sales orders daily without having to take on more resource to do so. It's been so successful within the fertiliser business, we've now also rolled that into the fuel business ahead of rolling it into the feed business. Adifo's a great company to work with. The people there are very knowledgeable, not only about the AX system themselves, the modifications they put into it, and also about the farming industry in total. So when we take a problem to them, they're able to respond directly, understanding what happens in the code, but also understanding the business process cycle that we go through. That's ideal. We've spoken to partners before who really did not understand how agricultural manufacturing actually worked, how farmers needed to integrate into systems. Adifo, you get all that as part of the package. These guys really understand farming. They've all qualified in farming. They understand the farming setup. That's our biggest advantage of dealing with Adifo. After our experience with Adifo, we already have recommended them to other partners, part of the Southwest AX user group, who also deal in the same sort of industry. They offer a comprehensive package, and yes, definitely we will continue to provide that, and also deal with Microsoft in the same way of our experience with Adifo and how positive they are.